SH Truck Hire is primarily a workshop. We do commercial vehicle repairs, MOT preparations, PMIs and general repairs. We do have a rental side of it. We do trailer rental and we run 2 lorries on a haulage. So we have 20 vehicles and 18 of those are DAF. I've been working with Adams Morey for 20 years on truck sales. We were purchasing DAFs back in 2003 and on the parts side of it we've been dealing with them for about 5 years. The customer service I've received from Adams Morey is top notch. Don't have any problems. There's always someone answering the phone. Problems are sorted out quite quickly. Adams Morey provide a one-stop shop for my business in the fact that they've got a body shop to do our repairs, extras that we add to the lorries. They've got a fitting department where they put all the accessories on it for us. Adams Morey support our business by keeping the vehicles rolling. The new DAF XG Pluses are on a contract maintenance, so they're keeping those going. And the parts department are supplying parts for us to keep our customers' trucks on the road. The after sales and backup from Adams Morey is absolutely fantastic and second to none.
So Adams Morey and SH Truck Hire have worked together for 20 years. That's through the truck sales, most recently 5 years through the parts department. We support SH Truck Hire through all areas of the business. Truck sales, we offer through the parts side of things impress stock. We also have members of the BDM team that come out on a weekly basis to go through special offers, any promos. So the relationship between Adams Morey and SH Truck Hire means a lot to us. We've taken them to Leyland DAF truck shows and any event we obviously offer that to all our customers as well. With the recent opening of the TRP Parts Hub at Basingstoke, we can now offer a greater service to our customers in and around the local area.